Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. This video delves into the fascinating world of ethical hacking, focusing on the versatile operating system, Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a powerful tool in the arsenal of any ethical hacker, offering a wide range of features and capabilities. We will explore the steps to set up your hacking lab, master essential tools, and create a secure environment for your ethical hacking activities. Setting up a lab is the first step in your journey, providing a safe space to practice and hone your skills, and delve into the intricacies of password cracking, website security testing, and social engineering. These are the core skills of an ethical hacker, allowing you to uncover vulnerabilities and strengthen defenses. By mastering these techniques, you'll be well equipped to protect the digital world from cyber threats. If you having a Swiss Army knife specifically designed for cybersecurity at your fingertips, that's Kali Linux. This versatile operating system is like a multi-tool for hackers, packed with everything you need to test and secure systems. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the field of cybersecurity, Kali Linux offers a user-friendly interface and a comprehensive suite of tools that make it an indispensable resource. Developed by Offensive Security, it's a Debian-based Linux distribution preloaded with a vast arsenal of penetration testing tools. These tools are designed to help you identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems, networks, and applications. The Debian base ensures stability and reliability, making Kali Linux a trusted platform for cybersecurity professionals around the world. Kali Linux is your go-to platform for ethical hacking, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for various cybersecurity tasks. From network analysis to vulnerability assessment, Kali Linux has tools that cover every aspect of cybersecurity. The platform is designed to be flexible and customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're interested in testing password strength, identifying website vulnerabilities, or conducting a full-scale penetration test, Kali Linux provides the tools you need. The platform includes popular tools like John the Ripper for password cracking, Burp Suite for web application security testing, and Nmap for network scanning. Or perhaps you're exploring the world of wireless security. Kali has you covered with tools like Air Cracking for wireless network security testing and Wireshark for network protocol analysis. These tools allow you to assess the security of wireless networks and identify potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. This powerful operating system is free to use and is constantly updated with the latest security tools and exploits. The open-source nature of Kali Linux means that it benefits from the contributions of a global community of developers and cybersecurity experts. Regular updates ensure that you have access to the most current tools and techniques for ethical hacking. This ensures that you have access to the most up-to-date resources for your ethical hacking endeavors. Staying current with the latest developments in cybersecurity is crucial, as new vulnerabilities and threats emerge constantly. With Kali Linux, you can be confident that you have the tools and knowledge needed to stay ahead of potential threats. Remember, Kali Linux is a powerful tool. It has the potential to do great good in the hands of ethical hackers, but it can also be misused if not handled responsibly. The power of Kali Linux comes with a responsibility to use it ethically and legally. It should be used responsibly and ethically. Always follow best practices and guidelines for ethical hacking, and never use Kali Linux for malicious purposes. Ethical hacking is about improving security and protecting systems, not causing harm or disruption. Always ensure you have proper authorization before attempting to access or test any systems that are not your own. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. By obtaining proper authorization, you can ensure that your ethical hacking activities are conducted within the bounds of the law and with the consent of the system owners. This not only protects you legally but also helps to build trust and credibility in the cybersecurity community. Before you can embark on your journey as an ethical hacker, you need to set up your hacking environment. The first step is installing Kali Linux. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. You can install Kali Linux as a virtual machine on your existing Windows or Mac OS system. This allows you to run Kali Linux within your current operating system without affecting your primary setup. Alternatively, you can choose to dual boot Kali Linux alongside your current operating system. This gives you the option to boot into either operating system when you start your computer. No matter which method you choose, the installation process is well documented and easy to follow. Once you have Kali Linux up and running, you'll have access to a treasure trove of hacking tools. Section 4. Mastering the command line. Your gateway to Kali's power. The true power of Kali Linux lies in its command line interface, often referred to as the terminal. Don't let this intimidate you. Think of it as learning a new language that allows you to communicate directly with your computer. The command line might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, it becomes second nature with practice. Start with basic commands like navigating directories, creating files, and launching applications. As you get comfortable with the basics, you can explore more advanced commands and scripts, giving you granular control over Kali Linux's capabilities. Mastering the command line is essential for harnessing the full potential of Kali Linux and its vast array of hacking tools. Section 5. Unlocking the arsenal essential hacking tools in Kali Linux. Kali Linux is not just an operating system, it's an entire arsenal of hacking tools at your disposal. Designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals, Kali Linux offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to various aspects of cybersecurity. Whether you're interested in penetration testing, forensics, or reverse engineering, Kali Linux has something for everyone. From password crackers to network scanners, Kali comes preloaded with everything you need to start your ethical hacking journey. The tools are organized into categories, making it easy to find exactly what you need. For instance, under the Information Gathering category, you'll find tools like Nmap and Wireshark, which are essential for network reconnaissance. One essential tool is Nmap, a powerful network scanner used to identify hosts and services on a network. Nmap can perform various types of scans, from simple ping sweeps to more complex port scans, giving you a detailed map of the network's structure. It's like having X-ray vision into a network, allowing you to see devices and potential vulnerabilities. Nmap's versatility doesn't end there. It can also be used to detect operating systems, service versions, and even vulnerabilities. This makes it an invaluable tool for both network administrators and ethical hackers. By understanding the network's layout and identifying weak points, you can better secure your systems or prepare for a penetration test. Another essential tool is Metasploit, a framework for developing and executing exploit code against a target system. Metasploit is incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks, from exploiting known vulnerabilities to creating your own custom exploits. It's a favorite among penetration testers for its ease of use and powerful capabilities. Metasploit's database of exploits is constantly updated, ensuring that you have access to the latest vulnerabilities. It also integrates seamlessly with other tools in Kali Linux, allowing you to create complex attack chains. For example, you can use Nmap to scan a network, identify vulnerabilities, and then use Metasploit to exploit them. These are just a few examples of the many powerful tools available in Kali Linux. The operating system includes hundreds of tools, each designed for a specific purpose. Whether you're cracking passwords with John the Ripper, analyzing network traffic with Wireshark, or performing wireless attacks with air cracking, Kali Linux has you covered. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking, you'll discover a vast array of tools and techniques to enhance your skills and knowledge. The key to mastering Kali Linux is practice and continuous learning. By experimenting with different tools and staying updated with the latest developments in cybersecurity, you can become a proficient ethical hacker. So fire up your Kali Linux machine and start exploring the endless possibilities it offers.